Hi everyone, it's Femi here and welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do the futures trading on the Kucoin app. Now this video will be a complete guide if you're a beginner or if you are new to the Kucoin futures trading. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss any important part of this video. Now before I go into this full tutorial, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Femi and I make videos on personal finance, cryptocurrencies and making money online. So if you love content like this, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Now let's get into this tutorial. Now the first thing you need to do is to set up your Kucoin account. So if you don't have a Kucoin account, you can use the link in the description of this video to create a Kucoin account and you'll be getting 10% discount on your trading fees. Now once you've created your Kucoin account or once you have your Kucoin account, the next thing is to set up your Kucoin futures account by depositing money into your futures wallet. Now, in case you don't know how to deposit money into your Kucoin account, I already have a video on how to deposit money from your bank account directly to your Kucoin account. The link to that video will be in the description below. Now, once you have money in your Kucoin account, the next thing is to go to your wallet and transfer some funds into your futures wallet. Now, this is how to do this. You come straight to where you have assets at the bottom side of the screen. It will take you to your wallet right here. Now, when you deposit money into your Kucoin account, it will be directly under your main wallet. Now, what you now need to do is to transfer it from your main wallet to your futures wallet. Now, to do that, you come straight to where you have transfer right here and tap on it. And then you tap on the crypto or the asset you want to transfer. So for this video, I'll be transferring USDT. So you tap on USDT right there and then you pick from where you are transferring from to where you want to transfer to. So we are transferring from the main account to the futures wallet. So you pick the drop down arrow right here and at the bottom side of the screen, you pick futures account. And then the next thing is to enter the amount you want to transfer. So let's transfer all the USDT right here. So you tap on all right here and tap on confirm. Now, once you do that, you see that you have the money under your futures wallet where the arrow is pointing to. So the next thing is to go to your futures trading page. So to go to the futures trading page, you tap on futures at the bottom side of the screen where the arrow is pointing to, and then it will take you to the futures trading page. Now, before I go into how to do the futures trading mainly, I need to say something that is very, very important. Now, if you're a beginner or you are new to crypto trading, I would advise that you don't jump straight to futures trading. I would advise that you start with spot trading, which is very easy for a lot of beginners to start with. Now, in case you want to learn how to do spot trading on Kucoin, I already have a video about that, so you can check the link to that video in the description below. Now, let's go straight to how to do the futures trading on Kucoin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to tap on this arrow right here. Once you tap on the arrow, you will see where you can select the crypto or the market that you want to trade. But the first thing you need to notice that there are two different types of futures trading. You have the USDT-M and you have the Coin M futures. Now, what's the difference between these two? Now, for the USDT-M, which is the most popular one, it means that you are using USDT to trade. While for Coin M futures, it means that you are using a cryptocurrency to trade, a cryptocurrency like BTC, Ethereum, and so on. But the most popular one and the most common one is the USDT-M, and that is the one I always use. So that's the one I will also recommend to you to use. So for this video, I'm going to be picking ETH perpetual USDT to trade, which is where the arrow is pointing to right here. Then tap on it. So you can see it will be showing you the market you are trading at the top of the screen right here. Now, the next thing I want to explain to you guys is the funding rate. As you can see where the arrow is pointing to, you have funding with some numbers in red, and then you have next funding with a timing or a timer. Now, what is the meaning of this? Because a lot of people always ask, what's the meaning of this funding or the funding rate? Now, the funding rate is an amount you have to pay every 8 hours that you are trading. Now, for some crypto apps, it is every 4 hours, while for Kucoin mainly, it is every 8 hours. Now, if the funding rate is positive, it means that the people who are long in the market are the ones to pay the money. While if the funding rate is negative, it means the people who are short in the market are the ones to pay the money. Now, as you can see right here, the funding rate currently is negative. So you see it is minus 0.0034%. So this means that anyone that is shorting this market will be the one to pay this fee. Now, this is not up to anything, so you don't have to bother about it. It is very, very small. That's minus 0.0034%, and that's very, very small. So you don't have to bother about that. But I'm just only explaining this so you can know what the meaning of funding rate is, because I get a lot of questions around that. Now, the next thing you need to know is the leverage. Now, what is the meaning of leverage and how do you use leverage? Now, you can see where the arrow is pointing to right here, where you have 10x. If you tap on it, that is where you can pick your leverage. So you can see that for this market, we have from 1x leverage to 75x leverage. Now, there are two main things you need to know about leverage. The first thing is that the higher the leverage you use, the higher the risk of the trade. So now let's say, for example, you're using 10x leverage. Now, if that crypto you are trading should move up by 1% and you are using 10x leverage, it means you are going to make 10% profit. But if that crypto should go down by just 1%, it means you will lose 10% of your money. Also, let's say, for example, the crypto goes up by 2%, you make 20% profit. But if it should go down by 2%, you will lose 20% of your money. So you can see that the higher the leverage you use, the higher the risk of that trade. And the second thing you need to know about leverage is that the higher the leverage you use, the more money you will be able to make. So that's why they always say high reward requires high risk. So you need to be careful about the leverage you use. But I'm going to be recommending to you that you don't use more than 30x leverage, especially as a beginner. So for me, I always use between 10 to 30x leverage. Now, after that, the next thing you need to learn is the order type. So if you come right here where you have limit, where the arrow is pointing to, and you tap on it, you see that you have different order types right here. You have the limit order type, market order type, the stop limit order type, stop market order type, and the hidden order type. Now, I'm going to be explaining this to you guys. Now, for the limit order type allows you to set the price at which you want to enter the trade or the market. While for market order type, it means you are entering the trade or the market instantly or immediately. So that's the main difference between the two. Limit, you are setting the price you want to enter the market. While for market order type, you are not setting the price, but you are entering the market immediately. Now, for the stop limit is a combination of stop loss and the limit order type. While for the stop market, it is a combination of the stop loss and the market order type. And also, where you have this take profit and stop loss, once you tap on it, this is where you can set your take profit and your stop loss. So I'm going to try and take a trade right now, showing you how to use these order types. So let's start with the limit order type. Now, for the limit order type, remember I said it allows you to set the price at which you want to enter the market. So you can see where you have the space for price right here, where the arrow is pointing to. That is where you can put the price at which you want to enter the trade or the market. So you can see right now that the price of one ETH is 1,179 USDT. So let's say, for example, after doing your analysis, you've seen the price you want to enter the trade, and come here to enter the price right here. Now, before I go on, I need to explain to you guys that you don't just enter futures trade just anyhow. You always need to do your analysis before you enter a trade. And if you want to learn how to do your analysis, how to do technical analysis, how to know when to enter and exit a trade, how to use indicators, you can register for the complete crypto trading course. The link to register is in the description of this video below. So let's say, for example, after doing analysis, you want to enter the trade at $1,189. So you enter the price right there. And then the next thing, let's say here you enter the quantity of ETH you want to trade. So let's say, for example, you just want to trade one ETH. You want to trade one ETH. So right there, you see the cost. So the cost is just 120 USDT. So you are spending just 120 USDT to trade one ETH. Don't forget, that's because you are using 10x leverage. So now I said the leverage allows you to use more money to trade. That's another importance of using leverage. So because you are using 10x leverage, you can trade one ETH with just 120 USDT. So if I tap on buy or long, I'll be able to enter this trade at 1,189 USDT. But let's say, for example, I want to use market order type. Market order type, you are entering the market immediately or instantly. So what you only need to do is just enter the quantity of ETH you want to trade. So let's say, for example, I want to trade just one ETH. I'll pick one ETH right there, and then I'll come here and tap on buy or long. If I tap on buy or long, I will enter the market or the trade instantly or immediately. So let's say, for example, you also want to set your stop loss and take profit. You can come right here and enter your take profit and your stop loss. So let's say, for example, I want to put my take profit as, let's say I want to put my take profit as 1,300, and then my stop loss at 1,100. So this is my take profit and this is my stop loss. Then just come straight right here and tap on buy or long. So if I tap on buy or long, it will tell me to confirm the order. So you can see the price is the market price. So we are entering immediately. That's the meaning. And the amount of ETH you are trading is 1 ETH. And then you can see your take profit and your stop loss. And you can see the cost right here, which is just 120 USDT. Then you tap on buy or long. And after that, you'll be asked to enter your trading password. Now, if you scroll down, you'll be seeing your position and your order. Now, under order, where you have my orders, that's where you have your take profit and your stop loss. So you can see the first one is your take profit, while the second one is your stop loss. But if you go under position, that's where you can see the trade that you are currently doing right now. So now I'm going to be explaining some details to you guys about what you can see right here on the screen so you can know the meaning of all of these things. Now, the first thing where you can see right here is your entry price. Your entry price is showing you the price at which you entered the market. So 1,179 USDT is the price at which you entered this trade. Now, the next thing you need to note is your liquidation price. Now, the liquidation price is 1,072 USDT. Now, liquidation price means that if this trade gets to this price, you are going to lose all your money. That is the meaning. You'll be losing all of your money. So you need to make sure that you always set your stop loss for this kind of trades. The next one is the mark price. Mark price means the current price of the market. So it will be showing you how it is going up and how it is going down. And the next thing is the margin. The margin means that the amount of money you are using for this trade. So right now, we enter this trade with 118 USDT. And next thing, you'll be seeing your realized PNL in USDT. That is your profit or loss that you have made or lost. So you can see right now we are on minus 0.7 USDT. So we are currently losing. Now let's say, for example, you want to end this trade. All you have to do is just come here to where the arrow is pointing to and tap on market close. But I'm going to be leaving this trade for now and I'll be showing you how to use the futures calculator on Kucoin. Now, to use the futures calculator on Kucoin, you come straight to this three dots at the top right corner. And once you tap on it, you tap on calculator right here. Now, the futures calculator on Kucoin can be used to calculate your profit or your liquidation price or your close price. Now, let me explain this to you. Now, how do you use it to calculate your profit right here? The first thing is to pick whether you want to long or you want to short. So let's, for example, want to long right here. That will pick buy or long right here. And the next thing is to pick the leverage you want to use for the trade. So you come here, let's, for example, you want to use 10x leverage. Then you pick 10x right here. And the next thing is to pick the entry price, that is the price at which you are entering the trade. So let's say you want to enter this trade at, let's say, 1,180 USDT. And your close price is your take profit, where you want to take your profit. So let's say you want to take your profit at 1,300. So the next thing is to pick the size of ETH you want to trade, or the amount of ETH you want to trade. So let's still pick 1 ETH right here. So let's pick 1. And then you come here and tap on start calculation. And right here on the screen, you are going to be seeing the cost, that is the amount of money you use for the trade, which is just 118 USDT. Your profit is 120 USDT and the ROE is 101.69%. This means that if you should enter this trade, you will be making 120 USDT as your profit. That's the meaning. So this is just showing you the profit or loss you can make if you enter a trade. Now, you can also use it to calculate your liquidation price. So you know the price at which you lose your money. So this is very, very important. The first thing you need to do again is to pick whether you want to long or short. So let's pick buy or long again. And then let's pick 10x leverage again. Now, the next thing is to enter the entry price. That is the price you want to enter the trade. So let's pick 1,180 USDT again. And let's pick the size of the ETH as 1. And then you tap on start calculation right here. So it'll be showing you that your liquidation price is 1,072 USDT. This means that if the price of ETH should get to this price, you're going to lose all your money on this trade. That is the meaning. And then the last thing you can use the futures calculator to calculate is your close price. Your close price means your take profit also, where you want to take your profit. So just like the others, you pick whether you are longing or shorting, and then you pick the leverage. So let's enter the same entry price again, 1,180 USDT. And here you pick the percentage you want to make. So let's say, for example, you just want to make 20%. Then to pick on 20% right here and tap on start calculation. And to show you that your take profit or your close price is 1,203.6 USDT if you want to make 20%. So this is how you can use the futures calculator to calculate your profit, your liquidation price, and your close price. Now let's go back to the trade we left behind. So you can see that on this trade right now, we are currently losing about $1.4. That's about 1% of the money. So I'm going to try and close this trade right now. So to close this trade, you come here to where you have close right here, but don't forget that you still have your take profit and stop loss. So you check your take profit and stop loss under my orders right here. So you can see our take profit is $1,300 and stop loss is $1,100. So you can just come here, go back to position. If you want to close, let's say you just want to close it now, just tap on market close right here and pick 100%. And then you tap on close position. Don't forget right here to show you the amount of money you're going to lose or make. So for this trade, I'll be losing 2 USDT because I want to close right now. So I'll tap on close position right here and you enter your trading password. So just like that, I've already closed the trade. And that is a simple way to do futures trading on the Kucoin platform. Now, don't forget that if you want to learn spot trading, I have a video on that. The link to that video is in the description of this video. And if you want to learn how to deposit your money or how to withdraw your money from the Kucoin platform, I have videos on them also. The links to the videos will be in the description below. And please, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. Just drop any kind of question you have for me. I'll be replying to every question that I get. And don't forget, if you want to learn technical analysis, fundamental analysis, when to enter a trade, when to exit a trade, you can register for the complete crypto trading course. The link to register for the course is in the description below. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and I hope you've been able to learn a lot from this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.